Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys, and this on this look right here that I created using the Star Wars Mandalorian the Child palette. If you guys haven't seen this palette, it looks like this. I really love the colors. They're really super pigmented, and I believe it runs for $16. So if you guys haven't gotten your hands on this palette, I suggest you do so because, like I said, it is a good palette. With that being said, I created this look. It is inspired for the holidays. I mean, it doesn't have to be the holidays for you to wear this look, but it was inspired for the holidays. So before you start watching, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you guys really like this video, and don't forget to follow me on my social media that I'll link down below. With that being said, if you want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to start off by priming my face with this Gensa Tone Up Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing these two foundations from CoverGirl. This one's in the shade medium golden, and this one is in the shade light. And just taking my damp beauty blender to blend it out. Next, I'm going to be taking my Essence Beauty Concealer in the shade Light Honey. And just taking my damp beauty blender to blend it out. Next, I'm going to be taking this Makeup Revolution banana powder. I'm going to be taking the Star Wars Mandalorian the Child palette. It looks like this if you guys haven't seen it. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Precious Cargo. And I'm going to be applying this color to my brow bone highlight. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, Babyface, and I'm going to be applying it as a transition color. Next, I'm going to be taking Little Frog. Next, I'll be taking Float Your Crib. I'm going to be applying this just to the outer corner to darken it. Taking a flat brush and some concealer, I'm just going to be cleaning up my eyelid where I'm going to be applying the eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called The Force. Next, I'm going to be taking Float Your Crib again, just to blend it out. I'm also going to be taking this shade and putting it to the bottom lash line. Going back in with Precious Cargo, I'm going to be applying that shade to the inner corner highlight. To give this look a little glitter, I'm going to be taking this Pixie Beauty Liquid Fairy Lights in this shade Sunray. It does have a little brush, but I'm just taking the flat brush that I used to apply the eyeshadow to apply this. I'm just going to coat my lashes with this Milk mascara. So I did apply my lashes off camera. So next I'm going to take this Spiote face palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here to contour my face. I'm also going to be taking this LA Colors bronzer to bronze my cheeks a little bit. For the highlight, I'm going to be taking this Pixie Ratch Loves, taking the shade T. To set everything, I'm going to be taking this Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist. I'm going to be taking this Nude Sticks lip pencil in the shade Belle. And I'm going to be taking this Essence Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Dusty Romance. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!